How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up badges on TeamSpeak. Now, you want to head over to the application, your account dashboard, and from here, you want to simply click on the gear icon right beside your username. So it's going to be at the bottom corner of your screen. It will actually take us to the account settings. Now in here, you will go ahead and see your badges. So it's as easy as drag and dropping it over to your slots. So we have 3 slots right here. Once again, you can just drag and drop it over to the slots in order to customize your badge the way you want to. Now, if you go ahead and want to redeem a badge, you could just click on this button right here, enter your code, and from there, once again, it will prompt you with the inventory right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.